Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Recently I purchased 2 Uberchic beauty stamping plates from a UK stockist, Rainbow Connections. I've already shared one of them here on my channel, but I purchased them for a requested video. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Uberchic beauty stamping plate Beach Please. As always, you can find information on where I purchased from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on, and please like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So I have my usual stamper and my new scraper. I have 6 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. For the first swatch I'll be using a light green coloured nail tip along with a dark green stamping polish. As I do with all small images, I am removing all of the excess with my lint roller before stamping down. This image is okay, it's not perfect, but this colour combo is a firm favourite with me. Great for all year round, it works really well for leaf mani designs. For the next swatch I'll be using a yellow coloured nail tip along with a bright red stamping polish. I almost added this image to the mani I've created with it being all shells, but in the end I didn't, but it's definitely a design I want to use in a future mani. It didn't quite fit the nail tip, but it would definitely fill a normal size nail. Again, it's not the perfect swatch I'm used to doing, but it's still okay. Red and yellow colour combos are a firm favourite with me. For the next swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with 2 different colour stamping polishes, a brown and a hot neon pink. I'm going for the layered ice cream, so to start with I'm going for the brown as the cone. Now I went with a lighter colour brown as I felt the darker ones wouldn't be the right colour for it, and then I'm going in with the hot neon pink as the ice cream. Now with this design you could add sprinkles, some sauce to really add some character detail to it. It would look amazing and so pretty. And the ice cream, so many colour choices to choose from as well. It's going to be a great image for the summer. For the next swatch I'll be using a light blue coloured nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. With this whale there is many other designs which would work great for a sea themed mani, like the layered dolphin or the jellyfish or the crab, the seahorse, the octopus. And with him on the nail tip there is still plenty of room to add any extra detail to the nail. You could also even fill him in with colour too. For the next swatch I'll be using a multicoloured nail tip along with a sparkly dark green stamping polish. Normally I would use black with words, but I wanted something different, and this dark green looks amazing against the yellow and green background. This is actually a colour combination that I have never ever done before, but it works so well, and I like to place the word images at a slight angle. I think they're more eye pleasing. This is definitely a colour combination that I want to do in a future mani. For the next swatch I'll be using a light pink coloured nail tip along with 2 different coloured pinks. Flamingos are super popular mani designs in the summer months. Every year they are everywhere for manis. So this layered flamingo is just perfect. Once the middle layer has been stamped down in the lightest pink, I'll then go in with the darker pink for the outer layer. I think this colour combo works so well. That outer layer colour really sets off the design well. I definitely want to use this in a summer mani this year. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches, a mani that I've created from Uberchic Beauty Stamping Plate Beach Please. Uberchic Beauty Stamping Plate Beach Please has 58 images in total, and just like vacation mode I've split the images into groups. So there is 5 words which I've added to multicoloured backgrounds. Again, some are straight, some are at an angle. The more swirlier words, I really need to try them with some other stamping polishes as they're really hard to read, but this can happen with any brand. We then have 13 large designs, and I've just added them to my normal coloured pop sticks. If you've been with me for a while, then you'll know that large negative space images, I'm not very good at them, and that's even after stamping for over 5 years, and there is actually 5 on this plate, which is a lot for me. Then we have the 32 small images, and they are the main reason I purchased this plate. After I received an email from Uberchic, this plate was on there and I just knew it would create some gorgeous summer manis. And then we have the 8 layered designs. Again, just like vacation mode, I've added them to white pop sticks so I can use different colours for them. The pineapple colouring went slightly wrong though. Now with Beach Please, I found that the feel of the plate was very textured. It didn't eat my cotton wool, but the larger images are definitely really engraved. And just like vacation mode, my swatches aren't really the best. Some are much better than others, but they really aren't my usual standard. I need some practice days for sure. Beach Please and vacation mode will work so well together, and I found some of the images, for example the layered dolphin on Beach Please, there was actually a single dolphin on vacation mode, the same with the flip-flops as well, which is really good because it offers more variety. Putting these two stamping plates together makes the amount of manis possible absolutely endless, and as I said in the other video, which I'll leave a link for in the description box below, this will be the other plate for the requested mani, which is actually going to be my next video. And can you think what it's going to be? Some of the smaller images you could colour in, like the ice cream, the crab, the bird, the starfish, and some of the large images would work on the neon multicoloured backgrounds. There is one large floral image on the bottom row that I think would work amazingly well with it. Now for these swatches and the swatches from vacation mode, I have been using some new colours of stamping polish and gel polishes that you might have seen in recent videos. Some of them I'm working out what colours works best. For example, the pineapple images, I thought that green would work really well as the base of the pineapple, but that green does not quite look right. Doing these swatch review videos helps me work out what colours go best together. Some are easy to make, some not so much. It's just really having a play around with the colours. You have to see what works. I do find that once I've used a colour combo once or twice, I then don't need to think about it, and I know that they will work together. I personally really like seasonal stamping plates, and as I've said before, they are plates that I return to year on year, but they can also work with other plates within my collection as well. With the mani I've created for this video, there was quite a few different options I felt would work for me. I liked the idea of the under the sea theme with the whale, dolphin, octopus. Then there was the ice cream mani, which I've never done before, along with the flamingo mani as well. None of these are what I went with in the end, but that's just 3 other manis that I want to create. Lots of inspiration from Beach Please, and I definitely need to do a multicoloured background mani as well. I've not done one of them for a long time. And again, a lot of the images will work really well, such as the flip-flops and the few floral images, and lots more. So for the mani, I went with this cornflower blue gel polish, which is new to me, and I used a dark metallic blue stamping polish for all of the images. On the thumb and the middle finger, I've used the large shell image, which I just love. And then on the other 3 nails, I've used the 2 smaller shells to create them. I have slightly moved the smaller shells around on those nails just to make the mani look a little different. I did wonder about turning this mani matte, but because I did that on the other plate, I went with glossy instead, and I still love how it looks, and it's definitely something I would wear on my nails. It's what I would class as a much softer summer mani as well. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Uberchic Beauty Stamping Plate Beach Please. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.